Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox enabling store is unavailable at this time. Please check back later. So all you need to do is open Roblox on your website, then log into your account. From here click on create, then go to your profile icon, click on it, then click on settings. From here you go here to eligibility, click on it, and then click on audio distribution. Then all you need to do, you need to verify your ID, then check all these boxes, and after that you should submit this, and after that the submission will be pending about 1 to 2 days, and after it is approved this problem should be fixed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.